Hello beautiful people all over the world, welcome again to our new episode for today. Please stay with me until the end of the video as I'm about to show you how to make mayonnaise. So here is our cooking oil. We have 2 eggs, lime, salt. So enjoy this video with us. Wow, you see this? So I'm going to pour. So beautiful people, thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if you are just seeing us for the first time, help us to subscribe, share our video with your friend and family. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. So beautiful people, here is our mayonnaise. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. This is nice. You can eat it with vegetables, salad, bread. It's yummy. It's tasty, nice. Wow. So thank you for watching. Bye.